Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Technogym low row machine. Start by adjusting the seat so your chest aligns with the top of the chest pad, ensuring proper leverage. Next, choose your resistance by inserting the pin into the weight stack. Begin with a lighter weight to master the form. Finally, position your feet securely on the footrests, maintaining a stable base throughout the exercise. This foundational setup is crucial for an effective and safe workout. For proper form, grasp the handles with an overhand grip, slightly wider than your shoulders. Keep your back straight and your chest firmly pressed against the pad to isolate your back muscles. Ensure a slight bend in your elbows at the start, avoiding hyperextension. This precise positioning helps prevent injury and maximizes the engagement of your lats and rhomboids, setting you up for a powerful pull. To execute the row, pull the handles towards your lower abdomen, consciously squeezing your shoulder blades together. Concentrate on engaging your back muscles, not just your arms, to drive the movement. As you return to the starting position, control the release, allowing your arms to extend slowly. Aim for 2 to 3 seconds on the eccentric phase to enhance muscle growth and ensure full muscle activation with each repetition. To maximize effectiveness and prevent injury, avoid rounding your back or shrugging your shoulders. Resist the urge to use momentum. Instead, maintain a controlled and deliberate pace throughout each repetition. Remember to breathe out as you pull the handles towards you and breathe in as you slowly release the weight. Focus on a full range of motion for optimal muscle activation and consistent progress in your strength training.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.